Everyone by now knows that the media is corrupt and just spewing agenda-driven stuff. But what they don't realize is that they're lazy and incompetent too. That's been going on for a long time. This Hurricane Harvey came at the worst time, right when all these lazy vacations. So now, watch, here's Nora. They're trying to say Nora is taking a day off because she's so tired.
Welcome to CBS This Morning. Charlie is off, and guess what? So is Nora. She has a day off today after a very long week. I'm thinking, guys,
No, she's starting her Labor Day weekend.
maybe she'll sleep until 5 a.m.
And Charlie Rose has been off the whole week. He's supposed to be their lead anchor. He doesn't give a shit. The biggest disaster in the history of the United States, and Charlie Rose is down in the Caribbean or something.